Welcome to IRIE Braille and Innovation. This video will show you how to unbox and physically set up the IRIE BrailleSheet 120 Braille Embosser. First, open the box. Remove the cardboard on top. You'll find the Go Braille wireless device inside its own box. You'll also find a large Ziploc bag full of useful things. Find the paper tension knob taped to the setup instruction. Set that aside in case you need to add or release tension in the paper feeder later on. Next, find the quick start guide and examples. And you'll also find the paper feeder guides, USB cable, and power cord. Pay special attention to the green USB stick that's fixed to the Ziploc bag. The USB stick has the software and drivers on it that you'll need later. Next, reach into the box and grasp the underneath of the embosser in the center and pull it out of the box. Underneath that, you'll find the paper feeder tray. Remove the foam and plastic from the paper feeder tray. Then remove the foam ends and the plastic from the embosser. Make sure to keep the packaging foam and box in case you want to send your embosser in for cleaning or otherwise transport your device. Turn your BrailleSheet 120 so the back is facing you. Remove the two pieces of blue tape from the embosser. Open the paper door and find the metal shipping lock pin near the lower right side of the opening. Turn the shipping lock pin in a counterclockwise direction until it is loose and easily slides out of the embosser. Along the bottom of the opening, you'll find two plastic mounts that will hold the shipping lock pin. Be sure to store the pin in this location so you can easily find it later. Transporting the embosser without the shipping lock pin installed can cause damage to your embosser. To install the paper feeder tray, find the slots on each side and fit the tray down into that, with the fixed paper side guide on the right. Then install the paper feeder guides in the two slots on the top of the paper feeder tray. On the rear right of the embosser, find the power port. Plug the power cord into that port and the other end into the wall socket. You'll find the power switch just above the power port. But don't turn on the embosser at this point. You'll want to watch the next video and install your IRIE Embosser printer driver prior to turning on the device. You'll find the USB port on the right side of the embosser, but don't plug in yet. You'll want to wait until you install the printer driver before you plug in the USB. Okay, you're all done with unboxing and physical setup of your IRIE BrailleSheet 120 Embosser. Let's move on to installing the IRIE Embosser printer driver.